You're not alone, together we're real strong.
Did you know one of the most researched vegetables for healthy cell function isn't actually a vegetable you buy at the grocery store? It's a sprout, and you can grow it on your kitchen counter in less than a week for just a few dollars. Broccoli sprouts are incredibly easy to grow and contain compounds that can be converted into sulforaphane, a naturally occurring plant compound that has been widely studied for its potential antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cellular protective properties. Whether you're simply trying to eat healthier or you're looking for nutrient-dense foods to support your overall wellness, broccoli sprouts are one of the easiest foods you can grow yourself. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also show you how I freeze dry my sprouts so I always have a month's worth ready to use. The best part is you don't need expensive equipment. You'll need organic broccoli sprouting seeds, a wide-mouth mason jar, cheesecloth or a sprouting lid, a rubber band, and clean drinking water. Big tip, I prefer a cheesecloth versus a sprouting lid as it keeps out gnats. That's it. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds. Add them to the jar, cover them with several inches of water, and let them soak overnight for about 8 to 12 hours. By the next morning, they've absorbed the water and are ready to begin growing. Drain the soaking water and rinse the seeds thoroughly. Now simply rinse them twice each day, once in the morning and once at night. After every rinse, drain the jar extremely well and place it upside down at about a 45-degree angle so excess water drains away while fresh air circulates. But here's where most people fail. Almost every bad batch of broccoli sprouts happens for one simple reason: too much moisture. If water collects in the bottom of the jar, mold and bacteria can develop very quickly. If there's one thing you remember from this video, remember this: drain your sprouts really well after every rinse. That one habit alone will solve most problems people have growing sprouts. Within about 2 days, you'll see tiny white roots. By days 3 and 4, they'll really begin taking off. By day 5 or 6, you'll have a jar full of fresh broccoli sprouts. Now place the jar in indirect sunlight or bright indoor light for about 8 to 12 hours. This allows the sprouts to produce chlorophyll and turn a vibrant green. Once they're green, give them one final rinse. I like using a salad spinner before gently drying them with a clean towel. Store them in the refrigerator in a container lined with a paper towel, and they'll stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. So why all the excitement about broccoli sprouts? Broccoli sprouts contain compounds called glucosinolates. When the sprouts are chopped or chewed, these compounds can be converted into sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been studied for its potential role in supporting the body's natural antioxidant defenses, cellular protection, and healthy inflammatory responses. Some research has even found that broccoli sprouts contain much higher concentrations of glucosinolate precursors than mature broccoli, making them an area of significant scientific interest. It's important to remember that broccoli sprouts are not a treatment for cancer or any disease. Instead, they're simply a nutritious food that can be part of an overall healthy eating pattern. I personally enjoy adding them to eggs, salads, wraps, sandwiches, smoothies, or even eating them by themselves. They're one of the easiest ways to add fresh greens to almost any meal. Bonus tip, here's how I preserve them for months. Instead of growing a new batch every week, I usually grow several batches at once. Then I freeze dry them. After drying the sprouts well with a salad spinner and towel, I spread them in a single layer on my freeze dryer trays. The process usually takes between 20 and 30 hours depending on the moisture content. When they're completely dry and crisp, I immediately seal them in Mylar bags or airtight glass jars with oxygen absorbers. Here's my favorite part. I blend many of the freeze-dried sprouts into a fine powder. Then I simply sprinkle that powder over salads, vegetables, eggs, soups after cooking, or mix it into smoothies. Honestly, I think this process makes them taste better than eating them raw. And not to mention, it's a big financial saving versus broccoli sprout pills. It's an incredibly easy way to have broccoli sprouts available every day without worrying about growing a fresh batch every week. Growing broccoli sprouts only takes a few minutes each day, costs very little, and gives you complete control over how they're grown. If you've never tried growing them before, I think you'll be surprised how easy it really is. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on nutrition, integrative health, and cancer education. And if you have questions about integrative cancer treatment options or would like help finding an integrative cancer clinic that's right for you, visit findhelpforcancer.com or call 928-546-5963. We're here to answer your questions about treatment options, accommodations, length of stay, availability, and cost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at findhelpforcancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.